Mr. John is confused about option and how it's work. Let's help the Mr. John.
First, we will see the meaning of option. Option provides the holder of the buyer that option is a right to do something, the arrangement between the two parties to buy or sell an asset, a stock at a fixed price and a fixed date in the future. This financial instrument is called options. Options can be bought or sold. A person who buys an option is known as a holder. A person who sells an option is known as a writer. The difference is that holder can choose to exercise their right to buy or sell whenever he wants. For example, as we can see, there are the two parties, Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A is the buyer and Mr. B is the seller. Mr. A wants to buy a car from Mr. B. Mr. A and B agreed and make a contract to buy or sell an asset at a fixed price and a fixed date in the future. Here, Mr. A has the option to buy a car in the future or not. Here, Mr. A has an option. Here is some definition of option. A type of a contract between two investors where one grants the other the right to buy or sell a specific asset in future. The option buyer is the buying the right to buy or sell the underlying asset at some future date. The option writer is selling the right to buy or sell underlying asset at some future date.
Let's see what are the types of options.
To enter into option contract, the buyer must pay an option premium. The two most common type of options are calls and puts. Types of option. First one, call option. Gives option holder the right but not the obligation to buy share of stock at an agreed upon price on or before a particular date. Second one, put option. Gives option holder the right but not the obligation to sell shares of stock at an agreed upon price on or before a particular date. Let's understand with an example. Mr. Abhishek is a businessman and wants to buy an acre of land from Mr. Rahul with a market value of rupees 10 lakh. There is news about the land that the government may soon take a decision to build the airport at a distance from it. Mr. John knows that as soon as the government decides that the price of the land will be increased, and in view of this, Mr. John wants that he should buy the land at market price of rupees 10 lakh now, and as soon as his price increases, he can make a profit of rupees 10 lakh now, and as soon as its price increases, he can make a profit by selling it. On another side, Mr. John thinks if the government changes their decision and not to build an airport for some reason, and then 10 lakhs will be stuck in the ground and seeing this risk. Then Mr. John paid only 50,000 as token amount to Mr. Rahul, the owner of the deposit. He is not guaranteed it. He will buy it for rupees 10 lakh in 3 months, and after the 3 months, Mr. John bought the right to buy 1 acre of land after 3 months. Here, Mr. John became call option buyer and Mr. Rahul became call option writer. This is how we can call options. Here, the example of put option. Mr. Rahul has his own dairy farm and he observed that because packaged milk, the dairy milk will not be sold at a much in future. So, because of that, Mr. Rahul thinks he should sell his dairy farm. At the same time, he thinks if the package will not sell more in future and the sale of dairy milk will increase. The market value of dairy farm is 5 lakh. One of the friend of Rahul, Nitesh, who is interested to buy a dairy farm. Mr. Rahul gives 20,000 rupees to Mr. Nitesh to sell this dairy farm after 6 months at a fixed price and at a fixed date. Mr. Rahul has option to sell his dairy to Mr. Nitesh after 6 months at rupees 5 lakh or not. If Mr. Rahul decides he won't sell his dairy, then Mr. Nitesh has to buy the dairy at rupees 5 lakh. If the dairy price decrease on the date, then also Mr. Nitesh has to buy at rupees 5 lakh. Here, Mr. Rahul is known as put option buyer and Nitesh is put